Nothing too much. We have domaća rakija for the first step, WD-40, some brake cleaner, and of course our lubricant. The motorcycle is a Honda CBR X6 with a dead chain and GT sprockets, and you can see it is pretty much dirty, and it will shine like new. This is an AliExpress chain brush, and this is the main tool for doing this. So let's begin. First I'm going to take the WD-40 and lube all the chain. Now we are going to take the brake cleaner. It's a multi-power brake cleaner. Today I'm using a motul off-road chain lube. Shake it well before using. And then I'm going to spray the outside of the rings. And then the inside. At the end, I'm going to spray it directly over the chain. And this is the result. That's pretty much it. I hope you can see it. You don't need to wipe up. Nice and smooth.